Good morning, welcome to day 23 of our morning yoga challenge. Let's begin today in simple cross-legged sit. Sit up nice and tall in comfortable position. Then interlace your fingers, press your palms away from you. With inhale, raise your arms up, press your palms up to the ceiling. Exhale around the back, lower your arms halfway down, keep pressing palms away. Inhale, reach your arms up, lengthen. Exhale around the back. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale around. Drop chin down to the chest. One more time, inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, side bend to the right. Stay here, breathe. Sit bones grounded into the mat. Come back to center. With inhale, press your palms up. Exhale, side bend to the other side. One more big breath. Come back to center. Inhale, press your palms up. Exhale, twist to the right and release your left hand to your right knee, right hand behind. Inhale, sit up a little taller. Exhale, twist and look back over your right shoulder. Come back to center, interlace fingers. With inhale, press your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. Right hand down to left knee. With inhale, lengthen your spine a bit more. And with exhale, twist a little more. One more breath and twist. And come back to center. With inhale, sweep your arms out and up. Exhale, forward bend. Walk your hands forward. Stay up on your hands or lower down to the forearms. And sway your upper body side to side a few times. Feeling the stretch on your lower back and hips. Maybe also on the upper back. Walk your hands back, coming back to seated. Then come up to standing, take your feet out wide. Toes turned out, heels in for goddess. Place your hands on the inside of the knees. Lower your upper body down. And drop your left shoulder down, twisting to the right. Gently press your knees away from you, increasing the stretch on the inner thighs. Come back through center and lower your right shoulder down, twisting to the left. Come back to center, straighten the legs, turn your feet in, parallel to each other. Hands on the hips. With inhale, lengthen the spine. And with exhale, fall down. Place your palms or fingertips on the mat. Find the stretch on the back of the legs. Breathe here. Take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Then walk your hands over to your right foot into lizard position. Lift your back heel, separate your feet a little wider to comfortable distance apart. And your back knee can stay up or lower it down for less intensity. Hips are heavy, sinking towards the mat. Chest stays lifted. Keep your left hand on the mat. With inhale, reach your right arm up for a twist. And exhale, bring it back down. Walk your hands to the opposite side. Your front knee is bent, back leg straight, and knee up or down on the mat. Right hand stays down. Inhale, left arm up, twist. And exhale, release down. Walk your hands back to center, coming back to wide-legged forward bend. And then bring your hands more towards your right foot. You can keep your hands on the mat or maybe hold your right shin with one hand or both hands. Trying to bring your upper body more towards your right leg, chest towards the knee. Bring your hands over to the left side and same here, hands stay on the mat or you can hold your shin. Bring your hands back to center. Turn your toes out, back to goddess pose, bend the knees. Lower your right forearm on the right side and lift your left arm up and over to the right into side bend. One big breath here. And switch to the other side. Left forearm on the side, right arm reaches up and over the head. Hips stay low. One more big breath. And come back to center. Bring your palms together. Another breath in goddess pose. Maybe sit your hips a little lower. Good job, release. Come down to the mat. Straighten your left leg out to the side. Keep your right knee bent and right heel close to your groin. Hands in front of you on the mat. With inhale, lengthen the spine a bit more. With exhale, walk your hands forward until you feel the stretch on your hips. It's probably more on your left inner thigh and groin, maybe somewhere else in the body as well. Stay up on your hands or lower down to the forearms for a few breaths. Lift yourself back to seated and switch sides. Right leg out straight, left knee bent. With inhale, lift your chest up. With exhale, walk your hands forward. Find position that feels right on this side and breathe there. One more big inhale and a full exhale. Come back to seated position. Bring your soles of the feet together, open the knees up for butterfly pose. Hold your ankles or your feet and stay up straight if this is enough stretch all over your upper body forward. Again, option to stay still or rock a little side to side, moving deeper into stretch. Slowly come back up and cross your legs, coming back to simple cross-legged sit. With your next inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. This was day 23. I hope you enjoyed your practice in this morning. Thank you for practicing with me and see you tomorrow for day 24.